Dollar General is seeking $14.8 million in damages from Yangming, a Taiwanese container shipping firm, alleging that the ocean carrier failed to provide sufficient cargo space as agreed upon in a year-long contract. The contract, which spanned from May 1, 2021, to April 30, 2022, required Yangming to provide enough capacity to store 2,226 40-foot equivalent units, FEUs, on its vessels, corresponding to an average monthly allocation of 185.5 FEUs. However, Yangming only provided approximately 616 FEUs of space, amounting to 73%, less than originally committed. As a result, Dollar General was forced to obtain space on the spot market at significantly higher prices, with ocean spot freight rates soaring above $10,000 per FEU in October 2021. The retailer claims that Yangming's failure to meet its minimum quantity commitment led to a shortfall of 1,610 FEUs, resulting in Dollar General either seeking service from other sources at higher freight rates or skipping shipments entirely. During a 14-week stretch from August to October, Yangming failed to meet the forecasted volumes in 11 out of 14 weeks. This is not the first time Yangming has faced allegations of failing to meet service commitments. Both Bed Bath & Beyond and former home decor wholesaler NBG Home have previously made similar claims against the carrier. Other logistics companies, such as Mediterranean Shipping Company, MSC, and Ocean Network Express, 1, have also faced similar complaints from shippers alleging breaches of service commitment. The complaint highlights that Yangming's alleged transgressions impacted numerous other shippers in 2021, with the company only accommodating 48% of the beneficial cargo owner (BCO) volume that it had previously committed to for the shipping year. Dollar General's complaint notes that Yangming's representatives offered shifting explanations for the lack of cargo space allocation, initially claiming unavailability of space due to congestion and blank sailings, but later admitting that the lack of allocation was due to decisions made by Yangming's headquarters. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.